In our digital world, every click and search leaves a trace. This constant tracking fuels our desire for privacy. Enter the VPN, a tool marketed as a magic button for online invisibility. VPN ads promise total anonymity. Turn it on, and you vanish from prying eyes. It's an appealing idea, especially with news of data breaches and surveillance everywhere. People download a VPN, press a button, and feel secure, believing their ISP, governments, and advertisers are locked out. But this promise is misleading. A VPN is not a digital cloak of invisibility, it's just one layer of protection. The internet is a complex web of devices, networks, and services. A VPN can shield your activity from some but not all of these players. Thinking a VPN makes you a ghost online is like thinking a disguise makes you invisible in a crowd. True anonymity is far more elusive. A VPN is a step toward privacy, not a guarantee. Relying on it alone can lead to risky behavior and a false sense of security. To truly protect yourself, you need to understand what a VPN does, and what it can't. So, what does a VPN actually do? Imagine your internet traffic as a postcard without a VPN. Anyone handling it can read it. A VPN puts that postcard in a sealed envelope, encrypting your data so your ISP can't see what you're doing. It also hides your real IP address, making it look like you're browsing from the VPN server's location. For example, connect to a server in London, and websites think you're in London. This is why VPNs are popular for accessing region-locked content. Think of it as driving your car into a private tunnel. When you emerge, you have new license plates. The websites see the VPN's IP, not yours. This encryption and IP masking are the core functions of a VPN. It's especially useful on public Wi-Fi, where others could spy on your activity. A VPN makes your connection unreadable to snoopers and hides your browsing from your ISP. But remember, this doesn't make you anonymous. The VPN cloak has limits. Websites and trackers have their own ways to identify you. A VPN is a strong privacy tool, but not a magic shield. Let's look at what it can't protect you from. A VPN hides your IP and encrypts your traffic, but websites use other tools to track you. Cookies are small files websites store on your browser to identify you. If you're logged into Google or Facebook, they know who you are, VPN or not. Beyond cookies, there's browser fingerprinting. Websites collect details like your device, browser, fonts, and plugins to create a unique profile. Even with a VPN, private browsing, and cleared cookies, your fingerprint can still identify you. Think of your VPN as a private car dropping you at a mall. Once inside, the stores and cameras can still track you. Your VPN gets you to the door privately, but can't control what happens inside. Many believe a VPN makes them invisible to websites, but that's not true. Your browsing habits, accounts, and device details still leave a trail. A VPN only obscures your IP and data in transit. To boost privacy, you must manage cookies, fingerprints, and trackers directly. Adjust browser settings, use privacy tools, and be mindful of your accounts. A VPN is just one piece of the privacy puzzle. True privacy requires more than just a VPN. Let's talk about who you're trusting with your data. Using a VPN shifts your trust from your ISP to the VPN provider. The VPN company can see your online activity, sites visited, time spent, downloads. That's why a strict, independently audited no-logs policy is crucial. Not all no-logs claims are equal. Some providers still log connection times or data usage. Think of a VPN provider as a security guard. You must trust them not to snoop. A reputable provider respects your privacy. A shady one might sell your data or hand it over to authorities. Your privacy is only as strong as your VPN's integrity. Research their history, jurisdiction, and audit results before choosing. Don't trade one risk for another. Choose wisely. Now let's build a stronger privacy strategy. A VPN is a good start, but real privacy needs more layers. First, pick a reputable, audited VPN. Avoid free ones that sell your data. Use your VPN on all networks, especially public Wi-Fi. Next, focus on your browser. Switch to privacy-focused options like Brave or Firefox. Enable tracker and cookie blocking and use private browsing modes. Regularly clear cookies and cache, and use disposable emails for untrusted signups. Be cautious with the info you share. Every account ties back to you. Avoid suspicious links and downloads. A VPN can't stop malware. Combine these habits: VPN for your connection, privacy browser for tracking, and smart habits for everything else. No single tool is enough, but together they make you much harder to track. Privacy is about layers, not shortcuts. Let's wrap up with the bigger picture. Perfect online anonymity is a myth. The internet is built for connection, not invisibility. Instead of chasing total anonymity, focus on practical privacy. It's an ongoing journey, making conscious choices every day. Use a trustworthy VPN, a privacy-focused browser, and smart habits. Each layer addresses a different threat. Together, they build real protection. Don't fall for marketing myths. Ask what a tool really does and who profits. Privacy is about empowerment and control, not disappearing. A VPN is just one step. Combine it with the right tools and mindset. The goal isn't to be a ghost, but to be a smarter, safer digital citizen.